Hi, once again, I'm back, and this video is going to cover ball, banana, apple, bed, and bird. So the first one's ball, me looking like you're touching a ball, ball. Next one is apple, we can do apple. Apple. Next one's banana, where you're peeling the banana. Next is bed, like you're going to bed. And bird, like a little bird's beak. Again, it's ball, apple, banana, bed, and bird. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more, go ahead and leave a comment or send me a message, and I'd be happy to do some more. Thanks for watching.